Looking for the best food vacuum sealer to keep your food fresh for longer? Today, we're ranking the top models from worst to best, so stick around to see which one truly seals the deal. Kicking off our list at the bottom, we have the Chef Preserve handheld vacuum sealer. It's compact, it's cordless, and it's super convenient, but it's definitely the most limited in performance compared to everything else on this list. Now, the cool part is its size and simplicity. It fits right in your hand, making it great for sealing small leftovers, taking on camping trips, or keeping in your RV. The fact that it's rechargeable and comes with reusable bags is a nice eco-friendly bonus. It's quiet, easy to use, and doesn't need any big setup or counter space. But here's the thing, it just doesn't pack much power. The suction isn't anywhere near what you get with full-size countertop models, and that makes a big difference if you're trying to store meat or prep bulk meals. Plus, the seal isn't always consistent, especially with moist foods. And while the reusable bags are convenient, they can get pricey over time. So who's this for? If you're looking for a simple solution for occasional use, or you need something portable, this might work. But if you want real power and versatility, keep watching, there's much better ahead. And by the way, you'll find links to all the sealers from this review at the best prices right below in the description. Next up, in fourth place, we have the MEGAWISE VS4100. This is a budget-friendly countertop model that's super easy to use and great for those just getting started with vacuum sealing. Compared to the handheld Chef Preserve, this one steps things up with more consistent results and the ability to handle both dry and moist foods. It's small, lightweight, and doesn't take up much space, which makes it ideal for smaller kitchens. It even comes with a built-in cutter for added convenience. That said, the suction power is still on the weaker side. It can be a bit loud, and sealing can sometimes be hit or miss, especially when you're working with foods that have more moisture. Also, the build quality isn't quite up to par with the more premium models we'll look at next. If you're on a tight budget or want something simple to use right out of the box, the MEGAWISE is a solid pick. But if you're planning to do bulk sealing or meal prep often, you'll definitely want to look at the next options. And hey, if you're finding this helpful, give us a like and hit that subscribe button for more smart reviews like this. Taking the third spot on our list is the FoodSaver FM2100. This model is kind of the sweet spot between entry-level simplicity and reliable performance, and it's from one of the most trusted names in food sealing. What makes the FoodSaver stand out is its thoughtful design. It has built-in roll storage and a cutter, which is super handy, and it supports vacuum sealing with both bags and containers using the accessory hose. It's also known for being reliable over time, especially when sealing dry foods. However, it lacks some of the advanced controls you'll see in the top two picks. The manual sealing process takes a little getting used to, and you don't get different sealing modes like moist or pulse. Moist foods in particular can sometimes lead to messy or inconsistent results. Still, if you're looking for something dependable that covers the basics without going overboard, this is a great mid-tier option. It's perfect for everyday kitchen use without jumping into the high-end price range. Now we're getting into the serious gear. In second place is the Bonsenkitchen VS4100, a powerful, versatile, and surprisingly quiet vacuum sealer that packs in a lot of value. This model really delivers where it counts. Strong suction, a bunch of sealing modes, and even extended seal time for those extra moist items. The built-in bag cutter, low-noise operation, and fast sealing speed make it ideal for people who meal prep or freeze large amounts of food. While the performance is strong, the control panel is pretty basic, and you won't find the extra polish that some premium brands offer. Also, while it's reliable, some users have reported needing to replace sealing gaskets after extended use. All in all, this is a fantastic value pick for folks who want more power and flexibility without spending a fortune. If you're sealing meat, prepping family meals, or batch cooking for the week, this machine can keep up. And finally, at number 1, the king of the list, the NESCO VS12. This is hands down the most well-rounded vacuum sealer we tested, combining strength, control, and reliability into one sleek package. What makes it top tier is the dual vacuum pump. That gives it incredible suction for a tight, secure seal every time. You've got options for dry, moist, and even delicate items with gentle and pulse modes. And the double seal function adds an extra layer of protection, which is especially useful for liquids or sous vide prep. There are a couple of downsides worth mentioning. It's larger than the others, so you'll need more counter space. And the drip tray isn't removable, so cleanup can be a bit tricky if you seal juicy items often. But if you want power, versatility, and trusted performance in one machine, this is it. The NESCO VS12 is the best vacuum sealer you can get for your kitchen right now. All the links to these vacuum sealers at the best available prices are in the description below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell so you don't miss future reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.